cats, it's me Ayana. Today we're gonna make how to make an origami boat. First things first, before you start this video, please subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and like. Okay, we're gonna go make our paper boat now. You would want to fold this edge to this edge, like it can be like this. Okay, we did it. You can pause it. Also, you can pause the video. You need some extra time if I'm going way too fast. Okay, you can increase it with a nail. Anything else that's fun? Doesn't matter if it's even nickel, but I just won. If you want to make sure you have if you want it even, you can fold this side if you want. Then you can reopen it to look like this. Then you can fold this, like make triangles like this. Then you're gonna do the same to the other one.
The what?
It'll look like this. If you have it even, that's good. Good job. Now you would want to take the tip and fold it to here. Same for the other side. Take the tip, fold it back. Next, you have yourself like a paper hat. If you watch this video, these are some familiar steps. Then you just need to make sure you leave it like this. You would want to take this edge and fold it into this edge. So it'll look like this. Do it to the other side. See? So you have like these little flaps and these, so it'll look like triangles. Now you would want, so you might have this little part. If you did it right, you would want to open it like this, hold these two middle points, and you do the same like this. Then you might have these two parts. If it's backwards like this, if you can't pull, flip it over. So then you just need to pull it. And if it's like this, you just want to push this bottom, fold it, and you have yourself a paper boat. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Bye guys!